Salutations. Today we're going to make a three-way Cobra. We're going to have 4 working ends. The core is 14 inches, melted together, made into a loop, pushed across. Now this one's going to have 4 working ends. Start out making like a regular Cobra. Goes underneath. So we start out with the red, on top, under the blue, black over the white, over the red, under everything, up to the loop. Just do normal Cobra tie. Now, black stays on the bottom. Now the white under the red, over on top, black over the white, under and up to the loop. Top, black, under, over the blue, up to the loop, and you tie. That's actually the whole weave. Just rinse and repeat. Red, under, over on top, black, over the red, up under everything, up to the loop. Underneath the red, over on top, black, over the white, under, up to the white. This one looks confusing, a little bit hard, but it's not. It's really, really easy. It takes a minute to learn to blue, under the white, up on top, leaves in the loop, black, over the blue, up under everything, up to the loop. Red, underneath the blue, over on top. Black, over the red, up under, and up to the red. Tighten. White, up over on top. Blue, over the black, over I messed up. I often do that. You've seen it here live. Okay, there's a white, now the black, over, under, and up. Yeah, you get lost there, trying to do too many things at the same time. Okay, blue, under the white, over the black, before, black, over the blue, under, up to the loop, and tighten. Now, red, under blue, over on top, black, over the red right here, up under everything, up the loop. Okay, white, under the red, over on top, four, black, over the white, up to the loop, boom. Blue, under the white, on top of the four, black, over the blue, up under everything, and up the loop. Red, under the blue, lever on top, black, over, under, up to the loop, and we tighten, and tighten. White, under the red, over on top, black, over, up to the loop.